Hey Margie, it is Melissa. Kathryn, what's up, girl? I love this question. And you're saying, and I'm just going to read it. I love your new work and definitely fit the Avoider Archetype. I'm like, oh, my new work. I know, although this book's been out for quite some time, but you're probably new to me. I've been trying your mirror exercise, but I'm skeptical that saying that I love and accept mantra can actually shift my subconscious mind after these years of hating how my body looks in the mirror. Can you explain how this really works? Absolutely. So a mirror work exercise, I actually learned this from one of my mentors, Louise Hay, who passed away. She's one of my first mentors, and she was a magical being that I was so blessed to get to work with. I basically took that exercise and did my own little twist on it as well. And so here's how that works. So as the Avoider Archetype, you avoiding seeing yourself in the mirror and acknowledging yourself and loving yourself is probably a difficult task. And as you're saying, it has been. The mirror work, what really happens is you're inside so just for you and anyone else listening, mirror work is this. And the way that I do it, it's such a powerful exercise. And when I had a hard time first really loving myself and seeing myself in the mirror with loving eyes, right? With loving eyes. Like I always do a prayer in the morning where I say, I'm religious and do believe in God. And I say, God, may I love me as you love me. May I see me as you see me. May I speak only loving thoughts. May I hear only loving words. May I feel only loving emotions. And I give love freely as you give love, right? And so I say that because to see ourselves without the eyes of judgment and without all of the stories and things that we brought with us is one of the most beautiful gifts that we can give ourselves. So in mirror work, what you do is you actually stand in front of a mirror. I encourage my clientele to stand in front of a mirror naked. Really taking in their bodies, but standing close, that you're standing right in front of your own eyes, looking deep within your own eyes and saying to yourself, I believe the mantra that you have from me is, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I'm perfect exactly as I am. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I'm perfect exactly as I am. And you look deep within your own eyes and you take in your face. And you look in your eyes and you look with gratitude and you say, maybe I love the brown in your eyes and the greenish flecks and the flecks of gold. And I love your skin and your freckles, and I love your smile. And you just start to take in, I love your hair, and you go down and even parts about your body. You know, I used to hate my legs and because I wanted these like really skinny long legs, and I have more muscular legs. And then I just started to go, God, I love my legs. I love how beautiful and fit and toned they are, and I love how strong they are, and they've taken me all around the world, and I'm so grateful for my beautiful legs. And you love up those parts of yourself. What happens and why this works so powerfully and why we repeat these mantras 20 times and you take time to do that. I have to continue because somebody was just calling in. My apologies. You take time to do this for 5 to 10 minutes. In the morning or even 2 minutes, is because it allows you to really, really see yourself and get out of the head space and the judgment and into love and compassion and acceptance. And what happened, and I will tell you this, with mirror work, I had to do it for months, and I didn't notice a difference. And then one day I walked by the mirror and I was like, hello, beautiful. And I was like, what? And I was like, yeah, you're beautiful, like talking back at myself. And it was just like, sex girl, you know, like all of a sudden I was saying these loving things to myself, and I got in my car and in the rearview mirror, I was like, you look beautiful. And I was like, am I like, wow? And I noticed that there was a big change. I noticed that I saw that I was starting to love myself and think these positive, beautiful thoughts. And it was powerful. It was so powerful. So I encourage you to continue with it. It will shift your way of being and your focus and your energy and the way that you love you and see you. And it is powerful. Don't stop, commit and just do it, and trust and know that whether you have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that those minutes are the most important and sacred moments and minutes that will give back to you all of those years that you feel that you lost. I'm telling you, I would not steer you wrong. I've had thousands of women around the world do it. They can attest to it. They notice when they stop. And there's nothing more powerful than when you do it. And anytime I'm feeling ungrounded, I go back to it and I'm like, yes. So please, please do it, stick with it, keep me posted. And any other questions you have, feel free to email me at support@melissakathryn.com. And thank you so much again for this beautiful question and for being a part of this community.